Hello friends, welcome to Yaya Spoon. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and thank you. JELL-O, an iconic American dessert, was discovered in 1897 by Pearl Waite, a carpenter in Leroy, New York, whose experimentation with gelatin concocted a fruit-flavored dessert, which his wife, May, named JELL-O. Hi everybody, welcome to Yaya Spoon. Today we're making dirt cake for Halloween. And we're going by the recipe on the JELL-O box. It does call for a cake to be made, so we have our box cake here. I got this Duncan Hines buy one get one free at Kroger's. Perfect. And we have lots of wonderful toppings, and we're gonna get really creative, so stick around to see how it ends up looking. This was a request from my granddaughter, and I said, sure. Let's make it together. Great way to get the kids involved. So stick around and let's get to baking. Spray all sides of your baking pan. I'm using a 13 by 9 inch pan for this recipe. Add the cake mix to the mixing bowl. Break the eggs. Pour in the milk. Pour in the oil. I'm using refined coconut oil today. If you don't have this oil, you can use vegetable oil. Add the eggs. Blend all together until moistened, about 2 to 3 minutes. Place the cake batter into the preheated oven to bake according to your package instructions. Since I'm using a 13 by 9 inch pan, it takes a little longer. I baked mine for a little over 30 minutes. In a bowl, add the JELL-O mix. Add the milk. Whisk the JELL-O and milk until it reaches a creamy pudding consistency. Place it in the fridge to keep cold until you're ready to layer it on the cooled cake. Remove the cake from the oven. Check for doneness when a toothpick or paring knife comes out clean. Then allow it to cool completely. Place the Oreo cookies in a Ziploc bag to crush up. This will be the dirt on the cake, so try to get it as fine as possible. As you can see, we used a meat tenderizer, but you can also use a rolling pin. The kids love this part. Prepare the whipped cream to layer on top. Add 1 cup of cold heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons confectioner's sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Keep whipping the cream until it forms peaks that flop over, soft peaks. then place it in the fridge to chill for a bit. Meanwhile, pour the Jell-O over the cake and spread evenly. I ended up with plenty of extra pudding for later. Fetch the whipped cream from the fridge and add a layer on top. Time to add the toppings. Get creative and have fun decorating. Okay guys, I'm going in for the taste test, but look how pretty that is. Just look how pretty that is. And we had so much fun cooking it. Let me see what it tastes like. Really good. So, she's going to give it a try and let us know what she thinks.
Tastes like ice cream and a brownie.
She said it tastes like ice cream and a brownie.
But like fudge brownie.
Like a fudge brownie. Awesome. Dirt cake on the Jell-O box. I did deviate a little bit, but that's the fun thing about cooking. You experiment, and I recommend that you give it a try. Get the kids involved. Okay everybody, if you enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you, please give us a like, subscribe, hit the bell, and share the recipe with somebody else who'd love to learn how to make this. Happy Halloween, you got this, and God bless.